Here I have the galvanometer with a loop of wire. I'm going to bring the loop out horizontal here, hold this up on my leg, and hopefully manage to demonstrate something here. Okay, now I've got the loop in this direction, I've got the coil in the loop. And I guess you can see the galvanometer needle. If I remove the coil very quickly, there's actually a slight deflection in the galvanometer needle, which I can see, but you probably can't. Now, if I double this loop, okay, so that now I have a loop within a loop. I don't have anything good to put my foot on here. I keep slipping. But if I double the loop, like so, okay, so now I have a double loop of wire. And insert the magnet in the loop, and let's angle the galvanometer so you can see the needle, and remove the magnet suddenly. Okay, you can see a deflection, a slight deflection in the galvanometer needle, and you should be able to see that, I hope, on the camera. Now you'll be able to definitely see the one that I'm going to show you here. Just a second to get the clips set up. Now what I've got is a coil with a lot of wire. Okay, these leads simply lead from one terminal, one end of this coil to the other. Okay, many coils. Now when I move the magnet in the vicinity of the coils, I move it toward, you get a deflection. If I move it away, you get a deflection. If I move it toward, there's a deflection. If I move it away, there's a deflection. The deflection happens only when the magnet is moving. Only when the magnetic field in the coil is changing do I get anything happening to the galvanometer. Okay, and if I was to move the magnet too fast, you wouldn't be able to see the deflection because the galvanometer wouldn't have time to respond. But if I move it fairly slowly, we can definitely see the response of the galvanometer to the magnetic field. And this indicates, of course, that there's a voltage being created, so that we get a current flow through the galvanometer. Now in a minute we'll go on and see how that works with loops and magnetic fields, and we'll look at the mathematics of the situation.